Hello class ninth. This is part 4 of chapter 1 Story of Village Palampur. In this part we will talk about various non-farming activities which are carried in Palampur. Non-farming activities in Palampur. 25% of people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture. First activity in this category is dairy. Other than agriculture, some people are engaged in dairy and the milk is sold in the nearby village. In dairy, they produce various kind of dairy products such as cheese, milk, eggs and other kind of product which either come from animal or animal fat. Dairy is common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffalo on various kinds of grass and the jowar and bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearby large village. Two traders from Shahpur town have set up collection cum chilling center at Raiganj from where the milk is transported to faraway towns and cities. Small scale manufacturing in Palampur. People are engaged in small scale manufacturing which are carried out at home or in fields. This manufacturing involves very simple production method. For example, have you seen jute bags? Jute bags are prepared in small scale manufacturing unit and it is prepared by hand. Important that you know what are small scale manufacturing unit. Small scale manufacturing units are those in which production is done with hands and products are packaged by hand only. So all the work are done by hand or very small or very simple machines and tools are used. It does not require heavy investment and heavy tools and heavy machinery. It is a very simple production unit but still it is very effective. The shopkeepers of Palampur. Traders of Palampur buy various goods from wholesale market in the cities and sell them in the village. General store in the village sell a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candle, notebooks, pen, pencil, even some clothes. Transport. Transport services include rickshaw, tonga, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, traditional bullock cart and bogie. They transport people and goods from one place to another and in return they get paid for it. So, transport is also emerging as a very good sector for the economy. So, in Palampur, transport is also becoming a important source of earning for the people of Palampur.